Scan for SOV and straight A's only. Let's go! Differential equations look intimidating, but you can solve this specific problem in under 60 seconds by following 3 simple steps. Let us dive right in now. Start by moving all u terms to the left and x terms to the right. This allows us to integrate each side independently with respect to its own variable, so go. Integrate both sides to get the natural log of y. Exponentiate both sides to isolate y, introducing a constant c that represents our initial state. You are doing great. Keep going. Finally, plug in the initial condition y of 0 equals 10. Since e to the 0 is 1, c must be 10, giving us the final function. You got this! Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOV. Never drop constant c during integration. Always use the initial condition to keep constant c.